Small nation, big ideas. Welsh science tackling climate change.
Tropical forests are really important for all of us. They contain many millions of plant and animal species, provide us with medicines, and protect us from viruses. They are the lungs of our planet, sucking in carbon dioxide and providing us with oxygen.
Tropical forests are particularly efficient at absorbing and locking up carbon dioxide in the trunks, soil, branches, and roots. But at a time that the natural world is under threat like never before, just planting trees isn't enough. We need to create places where abundant insect, bird, and mammal populations can also thrive. These healthy forests draw down more carbon than a plantation of a single species.
That's why we developed Regrow Borneo, a collaboration between Cardiff University-based researchers and community-based reforestation organizations in the Kinabatangan of Malaysian Borneo.
Logging has degraded the forest, and forest clearances for palm oil plantations have fragmented it. Each year, we see fewer of the species that usually occupy these areas. So we want to start repairing the damage. Our aim is to recreate living, breathing, and complex forests which offer real value to wildlife, communities, as well as being stores of carbon.
We need to think about building soil, understanding the amount of water, light, and shade that each species of tree requires. At every site, we monitor the trees and calculate how much carbon they store, and then use cameras to see when animals visit our plots. Last, but certainly not least, we talk to the local communities to understand what they want from forests and how reforestation work affects them.
Our trees will not always survive, but we study it and try again. This, for us, is a living lab. We've had to deal with flooding, monkeys eating saplings, and even elephants stealing our cameras.